Durga Prasad Sastri. I'm working as a program manager for Zing Telematics System, and mainly our company is Honeywell is a $38 billion company, which 38 billion into avionics, which is having a main area of expertise in the aerospace industry, and our product is a Zing Telematics System, which will be giving you the preventive maintenance and aggressive maintenance, active maintenance, where it will give you the, if you see the telematics system, which can be applied to any kind of assets. It can be aircraft, it can be a ship, or it can be any air vehicles or helicopters, which will give you when the system is going to be under maintenance. It can therefore, so to avoid an unscheduled maintenances, you will know what is the condition of your vehicle or asset. When it will go, what our system will do is it will gather the information from the central maintenance computer of the aircraft. It analyzes the information and it processes the information, and it will give you the diagnostic solution. It will give you a decision support system also. What are all the test procedures you need to run? What are all the repair actions you have to take? So that when the aircraft is in flight and it develops a technical snag, so that by the time it lands, all the technical crew will be ready with the equipment and with what are all the spare parts, so that you need to maintain a zero inventory, and it helps you to save the warranty costs for the OEMs. It can be the equipment manufacturers, as well as it will give you the benefit from the end customers, and end customer will be having a very less ground time of his aircraft. This is mainly, we are focusing on the Indian market as the maintenance. If we have to get any spare parts in India, we have to depend on Singapore, or we have to depend on Australia, or we have to go, because the time delay for getting the spare parts in place will be high. Therefore, in Indian market, this is the booming. The condition-based maintenance is booming up, so that it will let you know you can get the spare parts in advance.